In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add subscribe button animations like this one you can see on your screen right now to any video using the CapCut app. Now you can either do this by using your Android device or using your iPhone device, or you can even go as far as using your PC, so it works on any device in as much as you have the CapCut app. Now to get this done, simply start by going to Google and then searching for copyright free subscribe animations. So once you search for this, it's going to bring out some different websites that actually have it available. So as for me, I'm going to be using this website, which is Pizza. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to present me with a lot of subscribe animations. So you can see them in here. So once I scroll down, I'm going to start seeing the ones that are actually free. So you can see them in here. So one thing that you need to do is to make sure that you actually download the ones that are having green screen, like this green section background around it, because if you have to download the ones that do not have the green section around them, it's not going to work. So make sure that you just look around and look for the ones that you actually like, because you can see that there are different types on this website. So just look for any one that you like and then download them, and then go ahead and open your CapCut app. Now once your CapCut app is open, just go ahead and import your main video, like the video that you want to put that subscribe button on top of. So go ahead and import that video. So as for me, I'm going to be using a copyright free video for this, for this tutorial. So I'm going to go and use this video. I'm trying to look for something that will actually be very, very nice. So let me just use this one. Let me use any random video. So I'm going to open this one, and then once you've imported this, go ahead and import your subscribe button, the one that you actually downloaded, the animation. So I'm going to import any subscribe button animations I actually have on my device. So I'm going to be going with this one. So I'm going to import it. So you can see now I've imported the video, and then I've imported the subscribe animation. Now before I forget, if you actually find any value from this video, do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey. It's actually very important to me. Now let's continue. So the next thing you want to do is to drag your main video and then put it in here. So right now you can see that the main video is actually loading up. Let me play it to make sure that it's actually working. Okay, you can see that the main video is actually playing fine. Now what we have to do now is to overlay this animation on top of that video. So if you're actually using a mobile device, you are going to have to use the overlay option. But as for PC, all you have to do is just drag it and put it on top of your video. So that's how you actually overlay on PC devices. So once you put it on top of this video right now, you actually see that it's working. So you can actually see that it's playing very, very nicely. So what we have to do now, we have to do something else. We're going to have to remove the background of this animation. You can see that the green section is actually covering my main video. So in order for me to do this, it's not hard. All you have to do, click on your animation once, so that it's going to bring out the options for your animation. So you can see the options over here. So select remove BG, select chroma key, and then over around your screen, you can see just over around, and then select the green section. So make sure you are selecting the green section. So once you tap on the green section, then you can go ahead and increase the intensity just a little bit, and now you can see that it's actually showing, and at the same time my main video is still showing on the screen. So right now we need to adjust the size because it's too big. So if you look at the two corners, you can see that you can actually adjust the size in all the corners. So I'm going to be reducing the size. You can actually still increase the size, but for this video I'm going to reduce the size, and now you can move it around the screen. So I'm going to put it in the middle of my video. Now another thing that you can actually do is that you can actually increase the sound of the animation and reduce the sound of the animation, because normally this animation comes with its own sound. So to do that, click on audio, and now you see a section where you can reduce the volume, increase the volume, or you can just put it in normal. So that's just how it works. So once I'm to play my video now, you see that the subscribe button is actually playing, and at the same time my main video is playing. So that's the quick way for you to actually add subscribe buttons to any video using the CapCut app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos, some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.